Hey guys, what's on today? We're going to make this is my next day of making video. So today I here with my daddy, and today we're going to open this. Look guys, when I push this, it will opens. I told you to do that. I'm back from school. I know I'm gonna open this. Wow. Look at the thing! I just so cool!
What is it?
Here's a carrot.
There's a carrot?
Hey carrot, get off. Oh, I'll take off this cone. Yeah. So come out of you, cone. Okay, the cone. So like that for the horse, we're gonna do it there into the horse. So she has nice and good brushing. So use a tiny little brush.
Brush for what?
For this horse, you silly.
Ooh.
Ah! Get out of you, carrot! I'll take off this one.
There you go.
Aw, cute little carrot for this cute little horse. I'm gonna take off the table. Wow.
What is this?
Cool, guys! I've been telling my daddy if I turn this, it will turn. I was told you in the car, you know? Look.
Yeah, you told me in the car.
Oh, so adorable.
Like this?
I wish I have a real team.
You have what?
A real team.
Real thing like what?
Like this. I want to
Wait.
There's a type.
Good like this.
Cinderella. I'm the princess. Okay, look at Cinderella. I'm going to put her in this tower. So I want to just do it. La,
There you go.
look, Daddy.
Here. Yeah, the horse. Oh.
Yeah, so cool. I'll put this in this box. I'm gonna put this cool. I'm floating above airs. Okay. All this thing. Look at this ginormous thing. So I'm gonna get a chair so you can see. Okay, guys, I brought the chair, but I'll get some snacks.
Okay. I see it like this.
Okay, I get some snacks. I really want these snacks. Want some nuggets? Want some? Want some? Want some? Want some? Want some? You want some? Want it? Huh? Want it? I'll get this one. Okay, I got nuggets for 2. So, it's okay, guys. I'm so hungry. Here comes the Daddy. Here comes the table right here. Oh.
Gini. For that.
Yeah. So, we eat some snacks.
Okay.
Yeah. Daddy, why are you eating that?
Tutupan mo kayo.
Okay. This Cinderella is awesome. All the horses so adorable. Okay, snack. Snack. snack, boy. Here, I put you some snacks.
The bread.
Yeah. Oh. This is a yummy snack. I'll get the Cinderella. Nice boy. Good boy. I have one last treat. What is your treat? It's for me?
No, that's for me.
Okay.
Is that good?
Yeah.
With your right hand. When you eat, right hand. Like that. Okay.
I'm gonna make some clothes for you. So adorable. I like this. Oh, the bear can twist. A little bit.
What is that?
Not too much. A bear.
Oh,
Awesome.
motor juga. Coba, let me see.
Awesome. Hi! Where's Mario?
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
Like this. Let me put it here.
Yep.
Just like that.
Yep.
Okay. You put it on the horse.
That did.
That'll do.
Eat your drinks. They're so delicious. Oh, yum. I just find this first one. Cool, right?
Yes.
I just found that. Oh, the daddy can twist. And then
What is this?
What's this thing? Papa.
Yeah. What?
Can you do something?
Mm-hmm.
I'll do this and you'll do it. Okay. Put in the horse, okay?
Mm.
Okay. That's it.
Not enough power. Like this.
I'll do this. I have some good power, right?
Wait. Just use enough power, but not too heavy, okay? But not too hard. Okay? Can we
Hey, come here, Cinderella.
stop this and then we should post it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Greetings.
Woo.
Sign out.
Woo. Yeah, no.
Like what? Like hi, okay, man, today.
Okay. Now bye, because we're gonna put you on YouTube and you're gonna watch me.
Bye.
Girls and boys.
Okay. Bye bye.